Hey, I heard you just came back from your vacation. How was your trip? Oh, it was amazing. I went to Thailand for 2 weeks. The beaches were breathtaking, and the food was incredible. That sounds fantastic. Did you visit any particular cities? Yes, I started in Bangkok, explored the bustling markets and visited the Grand Palace. Then, I headed to Phuket, where I relaxed on the beautiful beaches and even went snorkeling. Wow, snorkeling must have been so much fun. Did you have any memorable experiences? Absolutely. One day, I took a boat tour to Phi Phi Islands, and the water was crystal clear. I saw colorful coral reefs and swam alongside some adorable sea turtles. That sounds like a dream come true. Did you try any local dishes? Oh, yes. Thai cuisine is incredible. I had authentic pad Thai, green curry, and mango sticky rice. They were all so delicious. I'm getting hungry just hearing about it. Did you meet any interesting people during your trip? Yes, I met some fellow travelers from different countries. We exchanged travel stories and tips. It was so nice to connect with like-minded adventurers. Traveling is such a great way to make new friends. Were there any challenges during your trip? Well, there was one day when I got a little lost in a small village, but the locals were so friendly and helped me find my way back. It's always heartwarming to encounter helpful locals. Overall, it sounds like an incredible experience. Any plans for your next adventure? I'm already thinking about my next destination. I'm considering visiting Japan or exploring some European countries. I can't wait to plan it out. That sounds exciting. Japan and Europe both have so much to offer. I hope you have another fantastic trip. Safe travels. Thank you. I'll definitely keep you updated on my next adventure. Maybe you can join me on one of my future trips. That would be awesome. Count me in. I love traveling too. Let's make it happen.